everyone, this is Akshata from Invest Mango. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today I am here to bring you the magnificent project by ACE Group, one of the finest developer of Delhi NCR. They are presenting you the premium housing property named ACE Divino. Let me give you a virtual tour of this luxurious project where you really want to make your abode. This is the entrance lobby. The double height and fully air-conditioned lobby gives a very beautiful ambience. They have used Italian marbles on the flooring, and for better security there is only one point entry access in each tower. We have this reception desk over here. The entry lobby is divided into 3 zones. On this side we have a sitting lounge that is giving a very fancy atmosphere. The presence of this piano is enhancing the beauty of this lounge. We have an excluded library area for all our residents. This is also a heaven for all the book lovers. The atmosphere of this area gives you a very calm aroma where you can spend your time reading or just by being with your own self. Moving forward, we have this lift lobby area. The chandelier above us is giving a charmatic effect to this area. Now let me take you to one of the fascinating part of this lobby, the activity area. We have a separate waiting lounge over here as well. This zone has a dedicated kids activity area that has all the amenities required for this zone, where kids can play and read under the supervision of their parents or family. We have a gaming zone as well, which has billiard table and indoor games like carom and chess, and also a table tennis where you can spend your time on weekends with your family and friends and enjoy your time there. That's all about the lobby. It matches the 5-star category. It offers you everything that is essential for a quality lifestyle. Now let me take you to the actual apartment and give you a tour of it. This is the most awaiting part of the video, the actual apartment. Let me show you around and give you a brief detail about the entire project. This is the entry area, which has 8 feet long door for the fine entry. And as we enter in the apartment, we have a separate dining area and living area. This area is very elegant and posh with a very good ceiling height. Now let's move toward the kitchen area. We have parallel counter in the kitchen area. The wet area is kept separated from the main counter. We have this dedicated fridge area. Along with that, we have a utility balcony that is quite spacious. Now let's move towards the room area. This is the passage that leads us to all the 4 rooms. All 4 bedrooms are unique and have different design, concept and theme. So let me take you to the marvelous part of this apartment, the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which has ample of space over here. It has a very great ceiling height. They have used wooden texture tiles over here, which is giving a very cozy vibe to the room. We have a dressing space with an attached washroom, which has shower cubicle and vanity space. The whole interior of this room is based on the European concept, which will mesmerize you in every single sense. This is the second bedroom that has a wardrobe area. So let's move towards the third room. So this is your third bedroom. They have given a closet area with a space which you can utilize for your shelf area. They have an attached washroom. Now let me take you to the last bedroom, which has an attached common washroom where everything is wall mounted. They have a separate shower cubicle and vanity space. This room is quite spacious. You can use it as a parent bedroom because it has a separate balcony as well. Well, that was the complete tour of the ACE Divino. I hope you enjoyed this stunning apartment as much as I loved showcasing it to you guys. Whoever see this project get amazed with the lifestyle it offers. It is worth in every sense. Our first possession starts from March 22. If you have any query, please contact us at the below mentioned number. And if you like this video, please like and comment. And for more such video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. We hope to see you soon.